Hello YouTube, this is Dr. Ronald W. Satz, founder and chair of the International Society of Unified Science and president of TransPower Corporation, a commercial and custom software manufacturing and certified systems engineering company. Welcome to my weekly screencast. This is a letter to the editor of Science News that I sent some years ago in regard to an article in Science News. Specifically in David Castellavecchi's article Half-Life, More or Less, published November 22nd, 2008, he quotes theoretical physicist Rabindra Mohapatra of the University of Maryland in College Park as saying, "There's no known theory that will predict something like this, namely a neutrino effect on isotopes. That neutrinos are the source of the mass variation in isotopes and hence of radioactivity has long been known to the supporters of the reciprocal system of physical theory created by engineer-scientist Dewey B. Larson, who was my mentor from 1965 all the way to his death in 1990. Here's a quote from my 1971 book, The Unmysterious Universe, page 50, which summarizes Larson's theoretical deductions on this topic. The neutrino, a neutral space-time entity, eludes capture, passing through space or matter easily. Occasionally, though, in passing through matter, the neutrino acquires a magnetic charge, a space displacement, and becomes trapped. Only by losing its charge can the neutrino escape. But such possibility becomes more remote as the concentration of neutrinos builds up with age, and so the buildup is irreversible. The motion of the neutrino with respect to the atom is equivalent to an oppositely directed motion of the atom with respect to the neutrino. Like thermal motion, these two oppositely directed motions must reach equilibrium. The neutrinos having a magnetic charge with space displacement thus force the atoms to acquire magnetic charges with time displacement. This motion merges with the atomic rotation, increasing the mass of the atom. Each of these units, which Larson terms gravitational charges or isotopic charges for convenience, is only half as effective as a unit of unidirectional rotation. The mass due to this half unit of effective displacement is 1 unit of atomic weight, and each additional unit of gravitational charge increases the atomic weight, producing isotopes. So, there is a known theory that predicts the neutrino influence on isotopes discovered by the experimentalists. Unfortunately, my letter did not get published, so I canceled my subscription to Science News. And besides, we now have Science Daily on the web for free. Study the reciprocal system and prove it for yourself. For an introduction to the theory, you can read my book, The Unmysterious Universe. If you're a scientist or engineer or professor, a much more advanced treatise is my latest work called Existence and Interactions, a computational treatise of the reciprocal system, the true theory of everything. That work contains 1,711 pages in the PDF and 1,711 slides in the PowerPoint file. It contains thousands and thousands of equations, so it's very advanced. And then if you want to go a step further than that, I have the reciprocal system database, the microcosmos module, and the macrocosmos module available for purchase from either TransPower or Amazon. Thanks for your attention.